Okay, back end of the house, to the left. So this is bedroom 4, good size. Okay, built-in robe, mirrored, shelf and rail. So that's good. Back out through here. Okay, laundry, built-in linen, 4 shelves, plenty of shelves. Insert trough in the cabinetry, plenty of room for that. Washing machine and slider out to the side of the yard. Very good. Bedroom 3, good size this one. Built-in robe. So these are double size, so young adults, plenty of room for them. Very good. Bedroom 2, good size. I mean, double bed, plenty of space for furnishings either side. Your built-in robe. So they're good size, these bedrooms. Excellent. Okay, towards right at the back of the house, next to the laundry, we've got toilet, fully enclosed, and we've got the bathroom. Oh, I like this. Very modern. Love the black tapware. I mean, it just pops off the white tiling. Good size bath, full measure mirror, stonework, cabinetry. Very nice. I mean, have a look at that. You've got to admit. I mean, that is modern.